Alright guys, you see we got the KX112 apart here. Still got the stock exhaust on it. We're getting ready to put on this Pro Circuit system. This is what it sounds like before. Alright, that's what it sounds like with the stock system. Now we gotta get all this stuff put on. We gotta get the pipe, the silencer, the reeds, and we got a jet kit. Also a twin air filter for it.
Jet kit will be here tomorrow.
Oh, jet kit's not here yet, but alright, get the putting all this stuff on here. Got this hanger bolt off. Just gotta get it off this little thing here. There she goes.
There's the stock muffler.
There's our stock muffler. Put it up against this little shorty one here. This thing is tiny.
This is the Pro Circuit R304 shorty.
That's what we got going on there. There she is. So that's a lot smaller.
Yeah, a lot smaller. Wait, look at that. Gosh.
Doesn't feel any lighter. We don't have a scale, but
it feels a little bit lighter.
It definitely looks better.
Oh yeah.
All right, now we got to get it put on there. I wonder if the hanger's gonna line up. It looks like it will. So you just have to transfer this bushing into this one, and then we can put it on the bike. But we're also going to do the header as well. So we got that big thing going on there. All right, just pulled these two springs off of the header right there. So springs go there. That's all that holds it on.
There's a bolt right here holding it on.
And then a bolt up in there holding on the header. Then we should have it ready to come off. Do what?
That was actually a nut.
A little nut holding that on there.
Yeah, hold that on.
Should be able to wiggle that thing out of there now. There she goes. There's the stock pipe right there. There's our Pro Circuit Platinum right there. There's our stock one. Not a whole lot of difference. It just kind of looks like it flows together a little bit better. It doesn't have as many seams and stuff in it.
The gear's different.
Yeah, right there.
It's different.
A little bit different
The bends are a lot smoother on this one than
yeah.
so rough on this one.
Very nice. Expansion chamber looks about the same.
Yeah, they're
about the same, but we'll see. We're gonna get it on the bike and see what it looks like. Yeah, we had to transfer those O-rings from the old one to the new one.
Yep.
So the new one did not come with new O-rings, so that's something to note if you get the Pro Circuit Platinum.
yeah.
No O-rings. Yeah, now we just gotta throw this up in the bike. There, it's on. There.
Right.
All right, got it on the stud for the most part there.
Using the head.
Yes. All right, that's up in there. Hey, looks a lot better.
Yeah.
That's a proper pipe,
That's
not
a
that
pretty-
painted stuff. This thing looks good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Sucks it's gonna get all dirty though.
Yep.
It's
This thing's gonna be brown the first time you ride it.
Yeah.
We got the header on, silencer on. There's nothing on this side. I thought it was kind of weird, but it's Pro Circuit there, and then the label is in here because it's going to be behind the side panel, so you won't see it on the outside, so they put it on the inside. Kind of weird, but I guess that's how it's going to work. So now we just got to see what it sounds like. All right, first start. So now we're going to take the airbox off so we can get down to the carburetor and the reeds. We got some Boysen reeds for it, and we got to rejet the carb for all the mods, like the pipe and the reeds and everything here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the airbox pulled off and it'll be ready to go. Okay, so we had to pull this frame bar out right here that goes along the side of here so we can get this airbox out. So we're gonna see if we can rotate it out without taking the other side out. That'd be nice. It looks like it's just catching right there. So if you can get it past that, it should be. Oh, yep. Push that just a little bit more. There you go. There she goes. Oh, no, it just went back in. All right, so we might have to take the other side loose, maybe. Try to rotate it like this. Well, now it's hitting up here. There we go. There we go. That's close. It's getting close to coming out there. There it is. Well, that just came off of there, so.
No, that's okay.
Deal.
There's the airbox.
Airbox is out. Now you just got to pull this guy off the carb, the boot. There's your airbox boot. Now, carb is exposed. This thing's looking very naked right now. There's nothing on it. But carb is exposed, so we can pull that and get to the reeds and our jets and all that stuff. So, very good. Okay, we're getting the carb pulled off. All these vent lines here go down through here. You can just slide them out of this bracket here, and this one slides out of this bracket. And then on the other side over here, we got the
fuel turned off right here.
Yeah, turn the fuel off on the petcock there, and then the supply line goes to the carburetor. You have to pull that off there.
Just pull this little thing off here, little clip.
Yeah, that little guy right there. Just pull that off. All right, got the carb loose.
Yep.
And then we have to take the slide out right there with those two Phillips on the top of the carb. And then you should be able to pull the whole carb out. All right, we got the cap off the slide there. Just pull that slide on out of there. And then the carb comes with it. There's your carbonator right there. Carbonator, yep. So that, you just pull the float bowl off right there and we can put our new jets in.
Here's your needle.
Yep, there's the slide and the needle. And then this intake boot in here, right in there. You just take that whole plate off and that's where your reeds are.
Yep.
So
grab that reed box right there.
So here's our new reeds. Pop that open.
Check these out.
These are Boysen reeds, rad valves. There she is. It looks like reeds. Yep. So nice billet plate right there instead of plastic. Well, I don't know if it's billet, but
not plastic.
It's aluminum.
Yep.
Very nice.
Just nice airflow.
So that replaces this whole factory piece right here, this whole boot and everything. So
Yeah, we'll take that out and do a comparison as well.
yep.
But we got some other things in here too. Got instructions, I guess. It's pretty simple on how it goes in.
Looks like it has a
Carburetor.
jetting kit or a jetting chart and stuff in there. Very nice. New gasket. And
Of course, some Go Fast stickers.
oh yeah, those right there are good for about 2 horsepower each. So
Dude.
have to make sure you put those on.
Yep.
Yeah, deal. Let's get the stock ones pulled out and take a look at those.
Hang off here. It's just 4 bolts.
Yep.
Coming out. There's the old stocky.
Here, I'll grab that. There's your stock reeds. These look quite a bit different. You got these metal plates on the outside. So there's that.
Yeah, this one.
There's your Boysens. So looks like these have plates to limit how far they open. These do not. So it's pretty crazy right there. I don't know what's going on with the side of it, but got some funky looking coating on it. These are all nice and pretty and aluminum. So it looks like it should make some more power.
Yeah.
Line them up like that. And yeah, looks like everything should fit in there. Now we're gonna throw these Boysen reeds in.
It does come with the gasket. Make sure you put this gasket in.
Yep, new gasket in. And it fits right on there like that. Very good.
Just put your stock 4 bolts back in.
Now everybody knows because it's got this nice big Boysen padded on the side of it.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice.
I had some.
So you got those reed valves fully installed there. So now the bike is just going to sit like this for a little bit because we're waiting on the jet kit for the carburetor to come in.
Yep.
And then she'll be ready to rip. So we'll have to see how she does now. And
we have a twin air filter.
got a nicer twin air filter for it.
Yep.
The old stock one down there. I mean, I guess it's fine,
It's
but
okay, but
these will hold up a lot better, and you can clean them and
oh yeah,
all that stuff. So
it's already
very
oiled,
nice.
So it's ready to go in, and waiting on that dang jet kit to get here.
Yep, waiting on the jet kit, and then he put these goofy off freaking hand guards on here. I think they look a little funny on this small of a bike, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it looks kind of goofy.
Show them the skid plate and the
Oh,
kickstand
yeah?
too.
Got the fastaway billet kickstand on here. Very nice. The same one on the KX112. These are awesome to have. And TM Designs skid plate. Very nice. So getting this thing ready for some more off-road style action. Get some protection put on it. A little more power. So yeah, this thing's starting to shape up pretty good now.
Okay, everybody. Connor's not here right now. I figured he wanted me to record this. I finally got my JD Jetting kit 2 days later after putting all the other parts on. So, on the Boysen Rad Valve instructions, it does recommend the stock jetting to jet down, which didn't really make sense to me. But, you know, these guys are the experts, and they say that you can change it 1 to 3 sizes leaner. So I thought it was kind of weird, but the JD Jet Kit is finally here, and it says the same thing. So we are about 600 feet above sea level here. So I have the blue needle in clip position 3, where it says to do it. We're going to put... I already changed out the jets in the carburetor. So in the middle there, the big one, pilot, and then your main is your big one. And this comes with a 148 stock main jet. And it says to put in a 145. So that is true. And we also put in the 45 pilot. And this comes with... This is the stock jet here. I think it says 142. So we're going to see how she runs, and I'm going to get to putting all this back together, and we're going to fire it up. You ready? Yep.
Alright, everything's on there. Get the little shorty silencer tucked up in there. Got them reed valves in there. You can see them better from this side. Reed valves are in there. JD jetting kit has been installed in the carburetor, the turbinator. Then this overly fancy clutch lever and perch right here. This thing is super nice. Very nice. But it's all ready to go now. We just gotta test ride it and make sure the jetting is correct now.